Yes, hello viewers. Welcome to our channel Wisdom Learning for Living. Yes, those who are watching my videos and subscribe my channel, special thanks for everyone individually. And today we are going to discuss the concept, I think you guess, Africa, African countries and the capitals. Yes, in Africa, total 54 countries is there. How many? 54 countries is there. The country capitals and countries and capitals we going to discuss very easiest manner. Many learners they have interest to learn the country capitals of the world, different countries what are there, right? Yes, today our concept African continent and countries and capitals. Yes, let's go start. Yes, regarding first of all, we want to know about a few words about Africa. Yes, Africa, yeah, one of the biggest continent, the second biggest continent in the world, right? Everything is biggest, related landforms, right? And one of the longest river flowing inside of the continent, Nile, river Nile. And once coming to here, one of the important waterfalls is there in the in this continent. Waterfalls, Victoria waterfalls. Which one? Victoria waterfalls, one of the biggest waterfalls. And coming to, yes, northern part, complete northern part, yeah, desert, Sahara desert, biggest desert, right? Yes, these are all important concepts. Even the people are believe that human being their life started in Africa. Yes, many archaeologists there find information regarding this. Yes, now the concept, countries and capital, let's discuss. Yeah, first of all, the top countries alone we're going to discuss. What are the top countries? Once again check here. Yes, what are there once you check? Yeah, Morocco. What is the country? First one, M-A-L-E. First one, Morocco. Yes, the capital of Morocco, Rabat. What is the capital? Rabat. And next one, Algeria. Which one? Algeria. Capital of Algeria, Algiers. What is the capital? Algiers. And next one, Libya. Which one? Libya. Capital of Libya, Tripoli. Which one? Tripoli. Capital of Libya, Tripoli. Tripoli, right? And next, Egypt. Capital of Egypt, Cairo. Which one? Cairo. Yes, total how many? Four. Morocco, Algeria, Libya, and Egypt. And here one of the countries there, Tunisia. Which one? Tunisia. The capital of Tunisia, Tunis. What is the capital? Tunis. Yes, Tunisia, Tunis. Five countries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Once again, Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, and Tunisia. Capitals also no. Yes, Morocco, Rabat, Algeria, Algiers, Libya, Tripoli, Egypt, Cairo, Tunis, yeah, Tunis. And next level, what are there? Once we go to discuss, yes, Western Sahara. What is the next one? Western Sahara. The capital of Western Sahara, Lyon. What is the capital? Lyon. Lyon. Capital of Western Sahara. And next one, Mauritania. Which one? Mauritania. Capital of Mauritania, Nouakchott. What is the capital? Nouakchott. Nouakchott. The capital of Mauritania, Nouakchott. And next one, Mali. What is the country? Mali. The capital of Mali, Babane. What is the capital? Babane. Yes, Babane. And next country, Niger. What is the country? Niger. The capital of Niger, yeah, Niamey. What is the capital? Niamey. The capital of Niger, Niamey. And next one, Chad. What is the country? Chad. The capital of Chad, Jameen. What is the capital? Jameen. Jameen. The capital of Chad, Jameen. And next one, Sudan. What is the country? Sudan. The capital of Sudan, Khartoum. Which one? Khartoum. The capital of Sudan, Khartoum. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here two small countries is there. We discuss these two. Eritrea. Which one? Eritrea. The capital of Eritrea, Asmara. What is the capital of Eritrea? Asmara. Asmara. Right? Asmara. And here one small country is there. Once again check here. Djibouti. What is the country? Djibouti. Djibouti. Now total 8 countries. Djibouti capital Djibouti only. Right? Djibouti. Yes, Eritrea capital Asmara. Once again remember Djibouti capital Djibouti, Eritrea, Asmara, Sudan, Khartoum, Chad, Jameen, Niger, Niamey, and next one Mali capital Bamako, and next one Mauritania capital of Mauritania, Nouakchott, and next one Western Sahara capital of Western Sahara, Lyon. Total how many? 5 plus 8, 13 countries. Once check it, what are the countries in 8 orderly, right? From Western Sahara to up to Djibouti, small country, right? And next level, we want to discuss here this particular states only, this particular countries alone. Here total 10 countries is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 countries. Shall we go to discuss what are the 10 countries and their names? And first one, the first country name, Senegal. Which one? Senegal. The capital of Senegal, Dakar. What is the capital of, this is a Senegal country. Capital of Senegal, Dakar. Which one? Dakar. And next one here, the Gambia. What is the country? Gambia. The capital of Gambia, Banjul. What is the capital of Gambia? Banjul. Right. And next, down, next another country is the Guinea-Bissau. What is the country? Next one, Guinea-Bissau. Guinea-Bissau. Capital of Guinea-Bissau, third one, Bissau only. Okay. And next one here, the country is the fifth one I mentioned here. And what is the fifth one? Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone. Capital of Sierra Leone, Freetown. What is the capital? Freetown. Yes. And fifth one, this is Guinea. What is the country? Guinea. Guinea. Capital of Guinea. Yes. Conakry. Which one? Conakry. Conakry. Fifth one. And next one here, the country is there here. Liberia. Sixth one. What? Liberia. Yeah. Liberia here. Rhyming is the Liberia. Capital of Liberia, Monrovia. Which one? Monrovia. Monrovia. Yes. Capital of Liberia, Monrovia. Yes. And next, seventh one here. Seventh one, Ivory Coast. Sorry. Cote Ivory. Which one? Cote Ivory. Cote Ivory. Capital of Cote Ivory, Yamoussoukro. What is the capital? Yamoussoukro. Capital of Cote Ivory. This is the Cote Ivory. After Liberia, Cote Ivory. And here is another country is there. Seventh one. This is seventh one. And next, eighth one. Which one? Eighth. This is Ghana. What is the country? Ghana. Capital of Ghana, Accra. What is the capital of Ghana? Accra. And next, ninth one, Togo. What is the country? Togo. The capital of Togo, Lomé. What is the capital of Togo? Lomé. Right? And next, 10th one, Benin. Which one? Benin. The capital of Benin, Porto. Which one? Porto. Capital of Benin, Porto. And here on the three countries, once again 8, 9, 10, these three countries, one country is there once again here. Burkina Faso. What is the country? Burkina Faso. Yes, the capital of Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou. Ouagadougou. What is the capital of Burkina Faso? Ouagadougou. Right? Up to here, 11 countries. Up to, actually I mentioned here 10. This is 11. Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou. Total 10. Once again, remember first one, Senegal. Yeah, I written here once again, check. Senegal, Dakar. Second one, the Gambia, capital Banjul. And third one, what is third one? Guinea-Bissau, capital of Guinea-Bissau, Bissau only. Sierra Leone, capital of Sierra Leone, Freetown. Guinea capital Conakry. Liberia capital Monrovia. Next one, Cote d'Ivoire capital Yamoussoukro. Ghana capital Accra. Ghana capital Accra. Togo capital Lomé. And next one, Benin capital. Yes. What is the capital of Benin? Porto. And this is which one? Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou. Right? Total 11 countries. And this is one of the important country in Nigeria. Sorry, in Africa, that is Nigeria. Which one? Nigeria. Why it's especially this one? Highest population country in Africa, which is Nigeria. Capital of Nigeria, Abuja. What is the capital of Nigeria? Abuja. These are all very interesting. We want to keep much interest inside of the concept. Then easily we understand. Yes, understand your viewers? Yes, Nigeria. From Nigeria to Namibia we discuss. Nigeria to Namibia. Here 11 countries. Top 13 countries over 11. And here Namibia, Nigeria to Namibia. Nigeria capital Abuja. And next Cameroon. Which one? Cameroon. Next one. Cameroon. Capital of Cameroon, Yaoundé. Which one? Yaoundé. Capital of Cameroon, Yaoundé. Right? And next here, one small country is there here, Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea. What is the country name? Equatorial Guinea. The capital of Equatorial Guinea is the island Malabo. What is the capital of Equatorial Guinea? Malabo. Malabo. Capital of Equatorial, this is Equatorial Guinea, near to equator. Equatorial Guinea, Malabo. And here, Gabon. Which one? Gabon. The capital of Gabon, Libreville. What is the capital of Gabon? Libreville. Yes, Libreville. Capital of Gabon. And here, the Republic Congo. Which one? Republic Congo. Yes, Republic Congo. Capital of Republic Congo, Brazzaville. What is the capital? This is Gabon capital. Gabon capital, Libreville. And Republic Congo capital, Brazzaville. Brazzaville. Same. Libreville, Brazzaville. And next one, yes, another country, Democratic Republic the Congo. Yes, Congo River is there, one of the biggest river, Congo River. That's why this country is like Congo, right? Republican Congo, Brazzaville, and Democratic Republic Congo. Yes, the capital of this, Kinshasa. What is the capital of Democratic Republic Congo? Kinshasa. Yes, capital of Democratic Republic Congo, Kinshasa, right? And how many? Nigeria, Cameroon, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, and next one Republic Congo, next one Democratic Republic Congo, Kinshasa, and next one Angola. What is the country? Angola. Capital of Angola, Luanda. What is the capital of Angola? Luanda. Yes, Luanda. And next one, Namibia. Last, which one? Namibia. Yes, capital of Namibia, Windhoek. Which one? Windhoek. Yes, these are all the countries. What are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side 8. From Nigeria to where? Namibia. Once again, remember Namibia, Windhoek, Algeria, Luanda, Kinshasa, capital of Democratic Republic Congo, Brazzaville, capital of Republic Congo, Libreville, capital of Gabon. Next one, Malabo, capital of Equatorial Guinea, Yaoundé, capital of Cameroon, Nigeria, capital of Nigeria. Which one? Abuja. Abuja, capital of Nigeria. Over. And here, remaining these countries, almost all countries are coming like pronouns like last like Namibia, Tanzania, Somalia, Ethiopia, right, like that coming. Yes, coming to down, complete down. Yes, richest gold and diamonds available country in the world. Yeah, which one? South Africa. Which one? South Africa. Yes, South Africa having 3 capitals. How many capitals? 3 capitals. What are they? First one, Cape Town. What is first one? Cape Town. Yes, this is a executive capital of the country. And next one, Pretoria. Which one? Pretoria. Pretoria, capital of South Africa. This is a legislative capital of South Africa. Which one? Legislative capital. What is Pretoria? And next one, Bloemfontein. Which one? Bloemfontein. Bloemfontein. Yes, this is a judiciary capital. Which one? Judiciary capital. 3 capitals. What are they? First one, Cape Town, executive, Pretoria, legislative, and next one, Bloemfontein. This is capital of legislative capital of South Africa. And inside of South Africa, here 2 dots is there, like 2 eyes. Right? Which one? First one, Lesotho. What is the country? Lesotho. The capital of Lesotho, Maseru. What is the capital of Lesotho? Maseru. Left side Lesotho, and right side is the Eswatini. Eswatini. Actually, Swaziland, the old name, former name. Now Eswatini. The capital of Eswatini, Babane. What is the capital of Eswatini? Yes, Babane. Yes, Babane. Right? Yeah, what is the capital of Lesotho? Capital of Lesotho, Maseru, and Eswatini capital, Babane. Right? And next, another country capital, yes, the country name, Mozambique. Which one? Mozambique. Capital of Mozambique, yes, Maputo. What is the capital? Maputo. The capital of Mozambique, yes, Maputo. Mozambique, Maputo. And here 3 countries is there once again. Top of South Africa, yes, Botswana. What is the country? Botswana. The capital of Botswana, Gaborone. What is the capital of Botswana? Gaborone. Capital of Botswana, Gaborone. And next one here, Zimbabwe. Yes, the capital of Zimbabwe, Harare. What is the capital of Zimbabwe? Harare. And next one here, Zambia. Which one? Zambia. The capital of Zambia, Lesotho. Sorry. The capital of Zambia, Zimbabwe. Sorry, Zambia. The capital of Zambia, Lusaka. Which one? Lusaka. And next, another here, small country is there here. Once again, check here. Small country. The country Malawi. The capital Malawi. What is the country? Malawi. Capital of Malawi, Lilongwe. What is the capital of Malawi? Lilongwe. Yes, Lilongwe. Capital of Malawi, Lilongwe. And here, yes, Tanzania. What is the country? Tanzania. Yes, Tanzania capital, Dodoma. Which one? Dodoma. And here, other country is there. Kenya. Which one? Kenya. Yes, Kenya capital, Nairobi. What is the capital of Kenya? Nairobi. Yes, Nairobi. And here last is there on the edge, Somalia. Which one? Somalia. The capital of Somalia, Mogadishu. Which one? Mogadishu. Mogadishu. Yes. Ethiopia. Which one? Ethiopia. Capital of Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. What is the capital of Ethiopia? Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa. Alright. And next here, South Sudan. Which one? South Sudan. The capital of South Sudan, Juba. Which one? Juba. Capital of South Sudan, Juba. Sudan capital, Khartoum. South Sudan, Juba. And next one here, Central African Republic. Central African Republic. Bangui. What is the capital of this one? Bangui. Bangui. Capital of Central African Republic. Bangui. Yes. And here three countries is there. Once again, one. This is not country. This is Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria. And three countries is there here. One. First one here. Big country is there. Uganda. Which country? Uganda. Capital of Uganda, Kampala. Which one? Kampala. Capital of Uganda. This is, I think, all are does. Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. Once again, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. Yes, Uganda capital, Kampala. And next one, next country, Rwanda. What is the country? Rwanda. The capital of Rwanda, Kigali. What is the capital of Rwanda? Kigali. Kigali. Yes, sir. Capital of Rwanda, Kigali. And next one here, Burundi. Which country? Burundi. Capital of Burundi, Gitagi. What is the capital? Gitagi. The capital of Burundi, Gitagi. Right? Yes. These are all the countries inside. Uganda. Next one, Rwanda. And yeah, next, what is that? Burundi. Yes, highest rainfall receiving places because it's equatorial zone, right? Right. And next, almost all countries are over inside of the territory or landmass. And now, outer part. Is there some countries? Once again, yes, the biggest island, one of the biggest island, Madagascar, Antananarivo. What is the capital? Antananarivo. Antananarivo. Capital of Madagascar, Antananarivo. And next one, Mauritius. Which one? Mauritius. Capital of Mauritius, Port Louis. Port Louis. Yeah, what is the capital of Mauritius? Port Louis. And next one here, one country is there, Comoros. Which one? Comoros. Monori. Capital of Comoros, Moroni. Comoros, Moroni. And next one here, one of the country, island country. These are all island country. 4 countries is there. Next one, Seychelles. The capital of Seychelles, Victoria. What is the capital? Victoria. Yes. 4 countries. What are there? Madagascar, Antananarivo, Mauritius. Capital of Mauritius. Next one, Port Louis. And next one, Comoros, Moroni. And next one, Seychelles. Capital of Victoria. And here another country also I mentioned the country name. I write the country name here. Sao Tome Principe. Sao Tome Principe. The capital of Sao Tome Principe, this is only capital. Here island country. Sao Tome Principe, the capital of Sao Tome Principe, Sao Tome. Yes. And last here, one of the countries they near to Senegal, the country name Cape or Cabo Verde. Which one? Cabo Verde. Cabo Verde. Capital of Cabo Verde. Capital of Cabo Verde, Praia. What is the capital? Praia. Yes. These are all countries and capitals. Once you practice make man perfect. You know very well. Yes. Once you can practice, then easily we learn. Yes, dear viewers, if you like the video, share the video. Many viewers, really thanks for everyone. Recently many subscriber they added in my channel. Thank you for individual to all. Yes, same manner. You like the videos, you share the videos, subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Once you can try the countries and capitals of Africa, then easiest. First we discuss top and next 8 and here 11 and Nigeria to Namibia we discuss all our countries. Once again check here South Botswana, Zambia and Zimbabwe, Mogadishu, Zambia, and next one Tanzania, Kenya, Somalia, Ethiopia. Right? Once you try and we meet in next video. We discuss other continent and their countries and capitals. Thank you all. We meet in next class. Thank you.